Hey, my name is Santiago. I'm the co-founder of a company called Foodsolo. We've been working with Happy Morning for about 3 months now, building out Facebook Messenger bots and funnels to drive traffic to our website, to increase awareness of our product, and to ultimately drive sales. And it's been a wonderful experience so far. Happy Morning have been very responsive, very detail oriented, and have brought a lot to the table in terms of our marketing. They're very responsive to requests, they're very timely with deliverables, and they've helped us build out a series of funnels on Facebook where we've achieved an open rate of 97%. So it's been an amazing component to get us in front of our customers and to be able to bring value on a day-to-day basis. I'm excited for 2019 to be working and continue to work with Happy Morning. I highly recommend them for anyone that wants to build out bots through Facebook Messenger. They are the best of the best.